Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials: an active system, EO account, your funnel goal, and the first pages you need. Once ready, open Funnels and click Create. Name the funnel clearly so you can find it later, and choose the funnel type that matches your goal. Make sure to select the correct currency and payment integration now to avoid rework. Then add your opt-in and thank you step. This gets the lead flow moving immediately and prevents setup gaps. Once your steps exist, open the page editor to craft copy, forms, and CTAs. You'll want a clear headline and single CTA per page. Then go to automation. Create an email sequence, assign tags when someone opts in, and set delays for follow-ups. Next, connect your product in sales settings, attach payment gateway, and add order bumps if needed. Make sure the sequence triggers on the opt-in tag so leads move automatically through the funnel. You're almost done. Publish and test the entire funnel from opt-in through purchase to confirm emails, redirects, and receipts work. Make sure your custom domain and SSL are active, and add tracking pixels for analytics. Once done, run a live test payment and inspect tag assignments to ensure automations fire in the right sequence. If something fails, check tag names and trigger order first. Incorrect tags or sequence order are the most common causes of automation breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.